Zoske with Zoske Manufacturing in Iowa Falls, Iowa. First off, we want to thank everybody that's expressed interest in our front fold toolbar. New design we came out with last April. If guys have called in and asked questions, one thing that they've been concerned about is how the toolbar folds and unfolds. Today we're going to put a short video together showing the operation in the cab as well as what happens back on the toolbar. Hopefully this will answer you guys' questions, and if you have more, please give us a call and be happy to walk through them with you. We hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. So this is our switch box for our front fold toolbar. You can see all the functions we control from this box. One tractor remote runs every function on this toolbox. Right now I have it tied into remote 2 on my tractor, and we'll show you what this does here in a little bit. But if I want to lift my wing wheels, I press the wing wheel switch, then I run my number 2 tractor remote up or down, whichever way I want to go. If I want to switch over to the front hitch, I simply select the hitch switch. We've also got our swing pipe lights on here. The 2 light bars that are mounted on the swing pipe point back to the tractor when you're in road transport, so we can turn the swing pipe lights on and off with this switch so it's not shining back into the cab. And we don't have them hooked up right now for this video, but on the right hand side we've got all of our hydraulic valves. On top here we've got our pig launcher valves. The green light is on when the pig launcher is closed. The red light comes on when the pig launcher is open. Then we've got our flow valve, or our swing pipe valve, the one that stops the flow to the manifold. The green light's on when that valve is open. The red light is on when that valve is closed. And then we also have a hydraulic valve after the manifold for cleaning the manifold out. When that valve is closed, the green light is on. When that valve is open, the red light is on. So when the operator's going through the field, all 3 green lights should be lit up. If one of them's red, we need to address the situation. Okay, as you fold and unfold your front fold toolbar, one thing you want to make sure you do is have the tractor in neutral. So as the inner and outer hitch pull together or push apart, the tractor can roll as well as the toolbar. If the tractor's in park, then it's just pulling the toolbar only. This way we can push and pull from both directions. So we're going to start out. Right now we have the toolbar folded up. We're going to pretend we just pulled into the field and going to get ready to get set up and hook the hose onto it. So first thing we're going to do is lower our wing wheels. So we hit the wing wheel switch. Take those down so the wheels are all the way down, and that should sequence them with the rear lift wheels. Next thing we're going to do is the offset fold, the 2 row units on both sides that are behind the wing wheels. We're going to unfold those. Next, we're going to lower our hitch, which lets the main tube down to get it away from the latches on the wings. And we'll go about halfway down with the cylinder, and that lets us put our tail wheel on the ground when we're unfolding. Next, we're going to go back to the swing pipe lift. That's on its own tractor remote. And we just need to lift it high enough that the swing pipe will clear the passenger side swing stop when it's unfolding. Next we're going to go down with the whole bar to get our tail wheel closer to the ground when the ground. After we do that, then we're going to hit the switch for the main fold and unfold the bar. Once the tail wheel clears, we're going to go down with the swing pipe. Then we're going to go down with the tail wheels. Put the swing pipe in float so it can flow with the toolbar as it unfolds. Then we go back to our main fold. Toolbar is completely unfolded. Then we go to our tongue lock. We simply lock the inner and outer tube together. After that, we're ready to raise the toolbar all the way up. Unhook the chain on the swing pipe and we're ready sorry about that. My GoPro decided to act up while we were doing the fold up on the video, so I didn't know that until started editing and didn't have that segment of the video, but you can see the fold up without any interruptions in it. Comes down to it, the bar is very simple to fold and unfold. I don't do this every day. I had one little hiccup in there, but it's pretty simple. The operator that does this on a daily basis comes a walk in the park after the second, third time, and you can go through the process without even thinking. So hope this answers a bunch of you guys' questions. If there's anything else we can help you with or any more info you'd like, don't hesitate to get a hold of us.